Thrunite, guiding you through the night. This is the Thrunite TN12 Pro. Check in the text below and also in the pinned comment. Always nicely packaged. I will provide a link for you to purchase this product or one similar. Nice size. It helps me out a little bit if you use that link. Thanks a bunch. Comes with a case. It has an attachment like that. It can also go through a belt. Has an attachment with the loop. Has a loop that you can go through a belt. Velcro closure. Nicely made. Charging cable. C-cable, as everything should be. Has a clip. Like all Thrunite products that I've reviewed, the instructions come in English, Dutch, Chinese, and Japanese. Hard to see with the light from the camera. Here are the specs for the flashlight. And I will put a link in the text that will send you to some information about this so that you can go get that more clearly. It's hard to see on the video, I know. So if you check in the text below, go to that link and it will give you some more information about the technical details, specs, and all that. On the operations, it has a lock and unlock. Tells you how to turn it off and on, how to change modes, how to get direct access to turbo, rechargeable, and it has a warranty. This one looks a little more complicated than the last one I reviewed, which was quite simple. Let's charge this one up first. The recharging port has a little plastic tab over it. I'm going to put the C cable in there. I'm going to take the other end and plug it into this. This is an Anchor outlet extender. I have many of these in my house. I'll link that in the text of the video and have a link to the video about this at the end of this video if you care to watch it. This one has a tag that says, please screw down the light head and the tail cap tightly before use and charge. So I think it is. So we're letting this one charge. The instructions tell us during charging the indicator is red. After being fully charged, the indicator will be blue. When the indicator flashes purple, it means abnormal charging. Please tighten the tail cap. Only Firefly mode is available while charging. Ours is red. That means it needs to charge. To be honest, I've tried to do this lockout mode and it's just confusing to me and it's inconsistent. And I'm just going to show you like the various modes on this flashlight. So this is the side switch and this is the tail switch. The instructions for the lock and unlock, it says when the flashlight is off, press and hold the side switch to enter the Firefly mode, and that happens. Under the Firefly mode, press and hold the side switch to access the lockout mode. And sometimes I can get that to work and sometimes I can't. Under the lockout mode, press and hold the side switch to unlock the flashlight. Then it says under lockout mode, single click the tail switch to double lock the flashlight. Well, sometimes that does or doesn't work. We're going to go ahead and go to change modes and work on that because that's just the simplest thing for me that's not frustrating. Side switch, tail switch. So if you press and hold on the side switch, you're supposed to enter Firefly mode. Cut it again and it goes off. If you press and hold it, it must be in lockout mode. So what I'm going to do is to press the end switch and then it goes on. So that's all I use the end switch for. And now I guess it's locked. And it goes back to the last one that you had. So I really don't like this flashlight when it's in locked mode. When it's in unlocked mode, you can press the side switch here. And it cycles through. And now I've just locked it again. So now I'm going to press the end. So this is what I don't like about it. Supposed to be able to press and hold. Try this again. I had it set where it did what I wanted it to do, and now it's all messed up again. Now it's locked again. But I had it where you can press and hold it and it cycles through the modes, and I guess it's not going to do that for me now. I'm going to press the end switch, it goes to turbo. When I press and hold the side switch, it's not doing anything. It goes back to turbo, off, turbo, off. When I press and hold the side switch, it goes to firefly. And you're supposed to, if you press it twice quickly, it goes to turbo. If you press it 3 times quickly at the side switch, it goes to strobe. I can't get it to cycle through for you guys. This is the turbo, side switch. This is not my favorite Thrunite flashlight. I guess that's turbo. I hit the tail switch. And I've played with this thing for over 2 weeks now, and I'm just not really getting consistent results from it. So I'm sorry to have to tell you that, but this one is not my favorite Thrunite flashlights. If you'll check in the text below, I will show you some other videos that I have that I do like better. I like the size of this one. I just don't like the operations of it. I can't get it to be consistent. And when I pick up a flashlight, I need to be consistent. I need to know what I'm working with. Like right now, I'm pressing the side switch, nothing's happening. Pressing the end one, it cuts off. I don't want to have to fool with that many buttons. Now it decides to cycle. See, I don't know why. There's no rhyme or reason. Or if there's no rhyme or reason to me. Maybe if you know what I'm doing wrong, please tell me in the comments, because I've spent many minutes over the past few weeks trying to figure this one out. To make my peace with it, I think I have it set now where all I have to do is press the side switch and it just comes on and cuts off. Let's see. Yep, and you know what? I'm just going to leave it there. I'm just not ever going to try to do strobe with it, or firefly, or lock it, or do anything. Never going to touch the end cap. Never going to press and hold the side switch. Just click, 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 click. I can live with that. I did put a red rubber band around it to remind me that this is one I just need to use just the side switch. Because I don't want to pick one up and have to use it in a hurry and not be able to get it cut on. Thank you for watching. If you have time before you go, watch another video. Consider giving the video a thumbs up, leaving a positive comment. Remember, you can check in the text below for a link on how you can buy this item or one similar. Again, thank you for watching, and consider subscribing to my channel or a playlist that suits your needs. Until we meet again, let's just help each other solve problems. Bye.